Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve day number 3 of Advent of Cyber 2023. Today our learning objective is to learn about cron tool to generate password combination and to learn how to use Hydra to use those generated password combination to log in. If you go into the given IP at port 8000, then we have simple login portal where we can enter 3-digit pin to get access. Since we don't know the pin, we will be using Hydra tool to brute force it. The key thing to note here is we have combination from 0 to 9 as a digit and A, B, C, D, E, F as character alphabets, and the key is of 3 digits. So let's use cron tool to generate word list of these characters. So for which we will be inserting commands crons 3. I have already done that. I will explain what this will do. So the first number is the minimum length of the password to be generated. Second digit is the maximum length of the password to be generated, whereas this string is the character set to use while we are generating the password. This -o flag is used to output this generated password list into word list.txt. Okay, we have successfully generated our word list. If we try to read, then we can see we have every combination containing word A, B, C, D, E, F and digit 0 to 9. Okay. Now we have word list available. So we will be using this word list to brute force the login page. For this we will be using Hydra as Hydra. I have already done this as a practice. So I'll explain how this code works. So the -L flag is used to indicate the login name. Since there is no login name, only password is required. We are setting it as blank. This -p flag is used to specify the password file we are going to use. In this case, we are going to use wordlist.txt, which contains all the combination which is possible for this login form. This -f flag will stop this Hydra from further brute forcing once it successfully finds the correct pin. And then this -p flag is used for verbosity. So it will display all the output so that we can catch all the errors if happen. And we are giving our IP here, and -s flag is used to specify the port, which is 8000. So these are another important thing. So for this we will be viewing our page source. So if you look at this form, we have method of post, action is login.php, and the name for the pin code we are inputting is passed as pin. So we will be using these 3 parameters in the Hydra as method used is http post method. So we are specifying http post form /login.php is the page where the pin code is submitted. If you can see here, login.php is the page where the pin code is submitted, and this part pin is equals to pass will replace the password from this word list. So for every word in this word list, it will be inserted here. So that will be pin is equals to 000, pin is equals to 001, pin is equals to 002, and so on. And this access denied indicates the invalid password will lead us to the page containing text access denied. So if you look here, if the pin is incorrect, then we are redirected to the page where we have a text called access denied. We are specifying this here. So if we run this, it will try to brute force for every possible password from this word list file. This might take a couple of minutes. And we got ourselves password, which is 6F5. Let's try to log in with that. 6F5, and we're successfully logged in. So the lab is asking for unlock the door and what is the flag. So let's unlock the door, and we got ourselves a flag. Let's submit it, and we have successfully completed day 3rd of Advent of Cyber 2023. If you are interested on watching walkthrough of day 1, day 2, then you can watch my previous video. I will be updating upcoming days walkthrough on my video, so consider subscribing to the channel.